Welcome to the video Vort on KabbalahWisdom.org. I'm very, very pleased that you are here to watch this little inspirational message. I hope it's going to be inspirational. And today I'd like to speak about a very, very important concept. We sort of mentioned it yesterday, but I learned a little bit more about this concept today, so I'd like to maybe revisit the concept, perhaps shed a little bit more light. As you know, those things that come from God are really infinite. So the same thing can be repeated, like one diamond has many different facets. It can dazzle with different rays of light, different colors, and we can always add to our wisdom, even in the same thing, infinitely. So the idea here is that we have to imagine a flame. And imagine that there exists nothing. Nothing exists but one flame. This flame is God. And God decides, okay, my light is shining all over. This flame has, let's say, an infinite reach. This light goes everywhere. I would like to create little flames. And therefore, he creates within this light a black hole, a place of complete darkness. I don't want to go into all the Kabbalah, the mysticism on how the universe gets created and all the different four worlds above us, and it's called, say, the Shtalshlus, the chain of events. But the bottom line is the whole point of this whole thing is for you and I, for the people that exist, because we are really that flame. You see, what happens is we are a composite of two things. We're a composite of a body and a soul. So the body is unaware of what it is. Now the soul gives life to the body, but the soul is really the flame. Where can that life come from? Nobody can measure life. Life is immeasurable. Scientists have tried to measure it. It is a miracle. And so that life force comes from God and is God. Because there's nothing but that flame. That flame is the source of life, and therefore its essence is God. And therefore the soul of everything, the soul of all matter, because really all matter, there's four kingdoms: the plants, the animal, the human, and even the inanimate. Even a rock, as Kabbalah teaches us, has a soul. It has a life force that brings it into existence. As I just read from Tzvi Freeman on Chabad.org, that I think his name is Max Planck, one of the greatest physicists, writes that my whole life I've studied matter, I've studied physics. And all I can say is an atom is some kind of force that brings it into existence. And this is what we say, that what we see is only the external aspect of the atom, but the internal is that flame. The whole world really is that flame. And so therefore what it means is, because there's one flame, everything and everybody are really one. Have a great day.